What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Putterworth Burke, and today we are talking about 5 steps to financial freedom. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking, you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video. Okay, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and the business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. The 5-step formula to financial freedom. So in this video, I want to give you 5-step plan to financial freedom. Now this plan might seem very simple, but most fail because it takes a lot of mindset changing, even myself. I know many people talk about mindset a lot, but it's the truth. Your mind directs your actions and your actions produce your results. So let's start with the first step, which is creating some cash flow. All right, so creating cash flow. Now, some people make this harder than what it should be, but this is a major way to financial freedom. Honestly, this is the only way to financial freedom. Without some extra money to make work for you, then you're not gonna have much success, if any. Now, there is a few ways to create cash flow outside of your current job. Now, if you already have surplus in your finances, then you can easily take your money and invest it in things that will bring back more money. Now, let's say you have, or you are the type of person that doesn't have surplus in their finances, and you are basically living check to check. Then you can easily start your YouTube channel around a certain niche that you're interested in, find yourself an affiliate program to use as a flagship product, and use this to make money online. And if you want to learn how to do this in a more detailed manner using my Wealth Builder system, check out the link in the description. All right? Now, you can also take on a side hustle like driving for DoorDash or Uber Eats or anything like that. All it really takes is finding what you like to do, then use it to make money outside of your job. Now, the next step is pay off your debt. If you have any outstanding debt like credit cards, old utility bills, and any debt just sitting around and causing your credit score to plummet, try to pay it off ASAP. This stuff is not going away anyway, right? So you might as well pay it off. Next up, stash that cash, but not all of it, all right? So now you have your side hustle bubbling and your debt is being paid or paid off already. It's time to start building up your savings account. You should have at least 3 months of living expenses in your savings account. Now, I know this might sound daunting, but you can start slow by saving at least $100 a month of your living expenses and go up there, all right? You can get 1 month of your living expenses first. Then once you reach that milestone, you will be inspired to keep going and you'll be stacked up for any just in case moments. Now, the next step is to invest your money. Now that you've started making money from your side hustle and you've saved up enough income to survive at least for a month, then you can start to take your money and invest in different streams of income. I think the first step is to build a passive income using online marketing of affiliate products. You can start this first or after you've had enough of the side hustle you're doing, like DoorDashing or Ubering around people or food. You know what I'm saying? Who wants to do that forever? Also, a few other keys to making this work is living within your budget. Do not use your extra money for nothing but investing in things that will bring you more income. Don't get a second job to just pay your living expenses, because then you'll be caught in a worse cycle of problems that you had before. Okay, you'll end up increasing your lifestyle based on your income, and then you will be stuck in the 2-job life. And trust me, you don't want that. All right, you don't. Now, last but not least, just keep investing. That's so you can build your financial freedom, okay? You should always be investing your income, producing things like stocks that pay dividends and businesses that don't require your time all the time. This is where the money starts to become fun, because the more money you can make passively, the more time freedom you have to either build more passive income businesses or just spend time with the people you love doing the things you love. Okay? Kind of simple, I know, but it takes a lot to get it done. Trust me. But it's worth it. All right? So thanks for watching. It's the man. It's the myth. The wealth builder himself. Devon put in work. Burke signing off for the 5 steps to financial freedom in 2022. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement.